Hey guys, welcome to season 2 of Ethic Boss and Sister Petra Animal Farm. So guys, today I'm going to show you my ducks that is on the farm. Join me. Hey Diamond. Hey, it's okay. You don't have to be scared. Hey Diamond. Hey Diamond. So, this is my handsome one, Diamond. He's a baby, but he's a giant. Giant baby Diamond. Say hi to the camera, Diamond. Say hi, honey. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Alright, so this is Diamond, and I'm going to show you beautiful sunshine. Hey, you love the camera, Diamond? He's a giant. He's a little baby, but he's a giant. So, guys, this is the princess. Her name is Sunshine. Say hi, Sunshine. Say hi, Sunshine. Hey, pretty girl Sunshine, Empress. They are gorgeous. Okay. So you're going in. Here. Go, girl. So guys, stay tuned for season 3, where we will show you our rabbits, birds, and pigs. Yeah, on Ethic Boss and Sister Petra channel.